Hi everyone, and welcome to your first yoga practice of the Live Well Challenge in the new year. I hope you completed the first and second day of this week following those two core workouts, which were pretty challenging, and that you're excited to flow together. Whether you're new to yoga or not, this will be a practice that you should be able to do. And then remember, if you ever need to pause it and kind of figure out what's going on, you can do that as well, and then resume when you're ready. We're going to start this yoga practice in child's pose. So bring it on down to your hands and your knees, and then sink your hips back. And just a reminder, these are a little longer than your core classes, just so we can take some time to flow into our bodies. Arms are extended as your forehead drops down, and just start to breathe in and out quietly. Good. Let your fingers reach forward. Your spine is long. Just breathe in and out. Good. Inhaling. Exhaling. You're going to take your hands, you're going to root your fingertips down. You're going to send your gaze forward so your neck is long, spine is long. And then you're going to exhale. Just kind of bring yourself to your hands and knees, but then sink your tummy all the way down to your mat. Good. Pull your elbows in. Your feet are pressing down, specifically the top of your feet. Inhale into a bent elbow or a straight arm cobra. So you're going to bring your chest up just like this. Good. Exhale, push it all the way back to child's pose. Repeat. Press into your hands, look forward. Exhale, kind of a cat spine to slither forward. Bend the elbows to melt down. Top of your feet, push. Inhale, press. Good. Lift your heart. Good. Exhale, push it back. Hips to heels and relax. Come up to tabletop, round the spine. Good. Flat back. Inhale, right arm reaches up on your inhale. Exhale, put it down. Left arm reaches up on your inhale. Good. Exhale, put it down. Tuck your toes, raise your bum to the sky, press your ribs back to your thighs. Soften within the body as you push back. Good. Right leg rises, breath in. Exhale, breath out, point your toes, flex your foot, draw some circles. Those of you that are more bendy, feel free to really push back. Feel the stretch in the left leg. Those of you more new to yoga, just work here, stretching, pointing, lengthening. Release, switch to the left leg. So inhale, reach left leg high. Again, point, flex, draw your circles. Good. One more big stretch. Exhale, release your foot. Roll forward to plank. Exhale, flow through a full vinyasa. So drop your knees if you want to. Otherwise, straight arm chaturanga. Inhale, here's your back bend. Remember, up dog is where the pelvis lifts up, thighs lift up. Push back. Downward facing dog. Gaze forward, step or jump to the top. Halfway lift your spine, lengthen out. Good. Exhale, forward fold. Bring your feet together. Inhale, rise to stand. Take your arms up to the sky. Draw the ribs in, reach up. Good. Exhale, let the arms open. Interlace the fingers behind the butt. Take the knuckles down the bottom. Open the heart. Squeeze the shoulder blades. Good. Hinge and fold forward over the thighs. Lift up through the tailbone. 3. Stretch out your shoulders. 2. Good. Release your hands down to the earth on 1. Halfway lift the spine. Lengthen, gaze forward. Exhale, gently fold. Left foot's going to step all the way to the back of the mat. Left knee's going to drop down. From here, hands come to low back. Inhale, chest lifts up, squeeze your elbows in. Beautiful. Lower your hands down, please. Pop the left knee back, straighten the right leg, fold over your shin. 3. Elongate through the spine. 2. Good. Exhale, bend the right knee. Step back to the top of the mat. Left foot meets right foot. Halfway lift, lengthen the spine. Exhale to fold in. Standing back bend. Inhale, reach up, lengthen all the way up. Good. Exhale, fold, hands to toes. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, right foot steps back. Right knee drops down, hands come to low back. Inhale, heart pushes through, gaze moves up to the sky. Good. Exhale, frame your foot, straighten left leg. 3. Toes up. 2. Good. Left knee bends forward. Inhale. Exhale again, top of your mat, feet together. Lengthen. Heel toe the feet apart, so make them wider. Grab opposite elbows, hang your chest over your legs. Let your head hang heavy, let your tailbone tilt up, sway left and right. As you bend your knees and as you feel the sensation of stretch start to occur in the back of the body. 3. Good. 2. Exhale, release your arms on 1. Inhale, lengthen halfway. Good. Exhale, fold. From here, bend your knees, come into a squat-like position, reach up to the sky. Good. Exhale, take your arms back. Squeeze the scapula. So that's the scapula, the area between the shoulder blades. Now squeeze the triceps, the back of the arms into the ribs. Now pull the low belly and exhale, start to get flat, chest to thighs. Pick up through the belly. 3. Good. Stay low in this squat. 2. Inhale, stand up, reach up. Good. Let all that go. Fold forward. Halfway lift your spine. This time step to plank. So pick a one foot to step back with and then the other. Knee down or full chaturanga. Inhale, up dog or cobra. So really push to open. Good. Exhale, glide the hips back. Child's pose. From here, look forward on your inhale. Exhale, press into your forearms. Push into your knees, tuck your toes. Lift your knees, gaze back at your feet. Soften the knees as you push back, lift up the butt. 3. Good. Engage your core. 2. Exhale, lower your knees down. Beautiful. Sit back on your heels if you can. Roll your shoulders back here. Exhale, soften the breath. Take your hands, interlace them, reach forward, all the way up to the sky. Open and lift your heart. Hello, Miss Minnie. Good. Exhale, slowly release your hands all the way back down, placing your hands on your thighs. Good. When you guys are ready, downward facing dog. Hands down, booty up. All right, right leg rises. Inhale, reach. Exhale, step the right foot through. Now keep your left hand down. Raise your right arm up for a twist. Roll your chest. 3. Good. Spin your heart to the right. 2. Exhale, release your hand. We're going to step right back to down dog. Step it back. Good. Left leg lifts up. Exhale, step through. Right hand stays down. Left arm opens up. Good. 3. Stack your shoulders, reach to the sky. 2. Left hand lowers down. Step back to down dog. Push with both hands. Push with your hips. Lengthen. Lift through the bottom. Good. Exhale from there. Drop your knees. Cross your shins from behind. Push your bottom back. Good. Reach your right leg forward. Left foot to right inner thigh. Inhale, take the arms up. Now we're going to fold between the bent knee and the straight leg. So start to walk your body forward. Exhale, elongate and fold deeply. Now walk your body over to the right side of the right leg and then bow over your right leg. 3. Good. Head to knee pose or as far as you can get. 2. Now keep your right hand or forearm down. Raise your left arm up like you're opening up into a half rainbow. Good. And extend, and you're going to feel that big side body stretch on your left side for me. Good. Take another full breath. Exhale into a seated twist. So look behind you at your left shoulder. Rotate the gaze, right hand's holding the right knee, keep twisting. 3. Good, 2. Exhale, rotate forward and then switch. Left leg extends out, right foot to inner thigh. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold between the knee and the left leg. And then exhale, drop it down. Good. Option to stay there or walk your hands left. Fold over left leg. Good. Feeling this nice deep stretch in the back of your leg for 3, 2. Now keep the left forearm or hand down. Raise your right arm all the way up to the sky. So you have this long side body stretch. Really try to create space in your right ribs. Good. Exhale, come all the way up into a seated twist to the right. Good. Gaze behind you at your back right shoulder. Tuck your chin. 3. Good. Pull your body. 2. Exhale, gently come back to center. And then you're going to extend both legs out in front of you. Kind of get your glutes out of the way. Inhale, raise your arms to the sky. Exhale, seated forward fold, soften your spine. Now you may or may not be able to grab your feet, and maybe after this challenge, you're closer to grabbing your feet, which would be beautiful, right? It's not an end-all be-all goal, but it does allow you a little bit deeper of a forward fold and a nice stretch. Good. Rise all the way up. We're just going to quickly lay onto the spine just for a few short stretches. So as you come back, let your knees come right into your chest and then rock with me from left to right side slowly. Good. Keep your right knee, lay your left leg down. Extend your right leg up, hold above or below the knee, and go ahead and pick up your head, pull your head to your leg. Good. Let your knee come back into your chest. Left side, left knee comes in, right leg lays down, hold here. Open mouth, exhale. And then left leg lifts to the sky. Hold above or below your knee, long stretch through your leg. Exhale, sit up and pull. 3, 2. Exhale, 1. Head comes down, left knee comes in tight. Good. Let the right knee come in and then massage the spine. You might have felt some work in your back too from some of the core work this week as well, or maybe the other exercises that you threw in on your own. Good. Let's rock it up to seated. Bring your hands to heart center. Sit up nice and tall. And I invite you just to relax the shoulders down away from the ears. Close your eyes with me right here. Thank yourself for choosing movement, for being together on week 1 of the challenge. And I hope you continue to live well as we bow forward together. Namaste. And thank you guys so much for practicing. Nice work. I'll see you next week for week 2. Awesome work so far. Feel free to share these videos, comment, and let me know if you have any feedback. Thanks, guys.